At this time of year in central Vermont, there is a town awash in 5-pointed stars, made of sticks, wrapped in fairy lights, on dozens of lawns and fields, houses and barns, and even a covered bridge. The idea started small, but has grown over the years to over 500 twinkling stars being displayed during the weeks leading up to Christmas. If you've ever driven along this section of Route 100 after dark, it is positively enchanting and uplifting. Stars are everywhere you look. I love to collect stars. I hope you don't mind if I share some with you. Stars are one of the things I connect to during Advent because they symbolize hope and trust, because they mean promise and new beginnings, a tiny light shining in the darkness. Seafarers trust the North Star, dependably pointing the way, guiding sailors through dark seas. The North Star was also used as a guiding point of life for the Underground Railroad, of enslaved people striving to be free. Shooting stars are wishing stars filled with hope. Just ask Jiminy Cricket. And of course, the Magi knew the location of Jesus because of a star. And Jesus, bringing the promise of a new day and new beginnings, is called our bright morning star, the point of reference, the light shining in the darkness that the darkness cannot overcome. A couple of years ago, I decided to build some stars to sell at our annual St. Nicholas Fair, as well as to hang on the church during the Advent season. If you would like to build some yourself, here's a little tutorial to get you started. So if you wish to shine a light in the darkness, display a symbol of constancy, a symbol of hope, a symbol of imminent dawn, I invite you to build a star and light it up for all to see during Advent.